Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Edward, and welcome to Secret Abruzzo. Today, I'm right in the heart of Chieti, the place where I live, and that's Corso Marrucino, the main street. Now it's getting a little busy because yeah, it's early afternoon, so everybody is in movement again. In that side, behind that building, that's the main piazza of the city, Piazza San Giustino. And today I'm going to take you to see an amazing apartment. But what am I saying? There are basically two apartments, basically one whole floor for sale, which is composed by two apartments, right next to the area called Porta Pescara, right to the Porta Pescara, which Porta Pescara was one of the eight entrance gates to the city. I think is the only one standing out. And now let's go. So let me show you the place. So this in front of us, it's a historical pharmacy, right down to this beautiful tower, where basically minutes of walking from Corso Marrucino to the apartment. And this in front, it's Porta Pescara, the gate, the old gate of entrance in the city. As we pass underneath this gate, we will enter a very, very beautiful area, which is hosting a lot of restaurants, bars, and stuff like that. But first, let me present you Porta Pescara. Look how beautiful it is. So, of course, now is not the time of the day. Now it's early afternoon, so all the restaurants are closed. But here on the left, we have we have a restaurant which I think it's one of the best, the most beautiful pizzeria that you can see. I will leave some images. Down here on the right, it's a bar where they serve amazing aperitivos and stuff. And basically in the summer, this whole area it becomes really nice populated. Now there are some workings here. This basically is not here all the time. It's just now. So as you can see, in front of me is the second gate of entrance to the historical city, and right in the building ahead of us, all the last floor, the second floor, you can see there, all it's for sale. So let me take you to see it. It's amazing. There are, I think, 220 square meters. There are 2 bathrooms already, many rooms. I lost counting. Until last year, here it was a nice restaurant, which now is closed. Okay, let's go. So this is the entrance. Very nice wooden door. Hopefully the sound was good because outside it was a little windy. Okay, this entrance is serving 2 apartments. That one on the left and this one, which in fact there are 2 apartments. It's a complete floor. They were united at some time. So welcome. Okay, before the entrance door from one apartment was here on the right, and the other was here. So, with the exception of one room, all the windows were changed, and also all the blindfolds outside. So they are in excellent shape. Maybe some blindfolds because of the sun needs to be repainted, but that's all. The house is still used from time to time. Okay, now we're entering, this is like an entrance before the bathroom. And now this is the bathroom. This is the main bathroom. Let me just show you the views that this bathroom and every single room has. If you look, all of these are the windows from this room. Right over there, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you can see the seaside. And this is the face, the part facing the main street. Right over here, it's a bus stop, so it's very convenient. In this door, I left this leather here on purpose because in the end I will take you to see a very interesting part of the apartment. It's a surprise. So going ahead, this part is heading on the entrance. Here we have one bedroom. So we also have electricity. All the electrics are redone, but they are outside the wall. So maybe someone, the one who buys it, maybe would want to put it inside the wall. So again, the same side. Look how many balconies there are, and they are huge. Only on this side, there are two huge balconies. What I love about this house is, of course, the position and the views, but also the pavements, which are really nice. Some of them are original old pavements, which are amazing. Going forward, we have like a living room. Again, the pavements are really beautiful. But let me show you this view. Just imagine staying here and seeing that. Going out every morning, having your cup of coffee here. It's beyond words. So, going further, we have like, let's call it a secret room. The entrance, it's really low, so it's, I think, 170 centimeters high. Again, facing the same side. This is the room where the windows have not been changed, the only room. I love this room because it's facing also on the back and also on the street. In fact, two ways on the street. And I love this idea to have like a secret library office. Okay, so this was one part of the apartment. Now we are going into the other side. Of course, we entered here. This window is right on top of the entrance. We enter the building right here. Now let me take you to the second, let's say, apartment. Look at these pavements. It's amazing. This kind of pavements, if you clean it and pass some wax on top, they will look amazing. And they are timeless, so they don't get old, they don't get out of fashion. So this is the second gate, entering the historical city. Right over there in front, it's an amazing restaurant. You have shops here, a shop very well maintained. You can find everything. Here we have the kitchen, which is divided by this wooden half wall. I can't get enough of these views. Every single room that you get, it has an amazing view. This pavement is also nice. Of course, this part of the house, let's call it the second apartment, it needs more attention. It needs to be properly renovated. The other part is in way better shape, but look at these pavements. This room is huge. I think it's 6 by 5, 6 by 4 or something. Again, same story, huge balconies, incredible views. And the last room, with the most beautiful pavement. From this room you will get into the other part of the kitchen. The kitchen was divided with this. And here we have a secondary bathroom. It's small, but you can enlarge it here in this space. Okay. Now let me take you to the secret part of the apartment. We're back again in the bathroom. Let's see where this ladder takes us. So, opening this door, we have a small storage here, which takes us in the attic. I wanted to take you here because I wanted to show you that the roof is in very, very good condition. And of course, the attic is huge. So, don't know if you can see, but it's on the whole surface of the building. It expands. It's in pretty good condition. You can see also the structure. It's in very good condition. Okay. So the price for this amazing apartment, it's only $79,000 euros. Excuse me. Okay. So okay. So our tour it's almost finished. Thank you very much for watching. Before finishing, I want to tell you that the price for this amazing apartment it's only 79,000 euros. It's hard to believe it, but this is like they're gifting this apartment. And if you're interested, let me know and I will put you in touch with the agency. Of course, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This way, you will be in touch with us, and you will get to see all the properties that we will present to you. Next week, we will have an amazing property again to show you, also in Chieti, and also one outside Chieti. Thank you very much and see you on the next one.